5 types of women men adore. Hey, what's up subscribers, welcome to Psychology. There are some features beyond the physical that men find attractive in a woman. There are certain types of women who attract men, many with unique qualities that stand out from the rest, and none of these are physical because they consider that the most important attribute women have is personality. For mature men, it's much more important what they have inside the brain than just a pretty face. Today I'm gonna tell you 5 types of women men adore, so watch this video till the end. And before we start it, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please hit the subscribe button and become a subscriber of Cyclogy. Number 1, the woman friend. If you are the type of who can go and have a beer at a bar, enjoy a game of his favorite sport, love and senseless jokes, and also have the ability to make fun of yourself, you enter the type of what they call companion. Men love to spend time with a woman who has somehow masculine qualities because they feel more open to act without prejudice. According to a survey by the Men's Health magazine, among its readers, 75% of those who participated said that humor is the most important quality found in a woman. Number 2, mature woman. Mature women know that what they want in life, no longer play games, have priorities, have a stable work and concrete projects they are looking to materialize. Her life revolves around what motivates her and acts with maturity. Mature women are full of stories and scars that made them what they are today, and that's tremendously attractive to men. They prefer as a partner someone who has grown up mentally. Number 3, seductive. A sensual woman is one who is sure of herself, who has a great personality, a woman who knows how beautiful she is and acts as if there was nobody sexier than her. She is mysterious, intense, and with a glance can say many things beyond physical, captivate with her attitude. When love a woman who has security in herself, this is what characterizes her and makes her stand out from the rest. Number 4, professional and intellectual. They say that the most erotic thing in the world is a good conversation. There is nothing more true. One of the most admired qualities in a woman men admire is her intelligence, the ability to learn, discuss with arguments, defend an idea, and being able to discuss any topic with basis. They get motivated by a woman they choose as a partner who has adequate academic training and is also cultivated and wants to continue to grow as a professional. Number 5, free-spirited. Women who have a free soul have a particular charm. Are people who live without planning, take risks, travel, and love to discover new things. They see the world is beautiful way. Are them everything is magical. Nature motivates them and they love spending time alone. They are wonderful people who were born to live adventures. Men seek inspiration in them and see them as a challenge, and because of their nature, they do not know what to expect. Subscribers, these were the 5 types of women men adore. I hope you would like this video. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel for new video every day.